is noted. We'll make appropriate arrangements for that. Counsel for the Assembly. Counsel for the Assembly. You recall that your time is up. I believe then that you do not expect any opportunity other than the discretion of the chair to permit you in the shortest time possible if there is any re-exam.
Yes, Honorable Speaker, I kindly beg your indulgence that you humbly allow me to ask a few questions in re-exam.
Mr. Speaker, I may have to raise on that issue because there's something called equality of arms. The County Assembly had 3 hours and 10 minutes to deal with their first witness. We were given 1 hour strictly with no extension. The 20 minutes we were given ate into our time of cross-examining the other witnesses. Mr. Speaker, it would be impossible for the public following these proceedings to get a feeling that there is a even-handedness if this county government is adding 1 more minute. You notice, Mr. Speaker, I stopped my question in between. I stopped my question in the tracks when you stopped me. This county government is the real author of all misfortunes of time mismanagement today, the 19th day of August, 2023.
You've made your point.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. I urge that you deny them that.
You must have noted the fact that I notified the council that they didn't have any extra time because they ate into their time in the earlier proceedings. But nonetheless, I will exercise my discretion. I'll allow you 2 minutes both to ask and to respond. So it will be up to you to decide how to utilize the 2 minutes, whether to ask the question or whether to allow the witness to get an opportunity to respond.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Senators. My name is Eric Murioki. Mr. Witness, in your exam, what was that book used for and at what date?
Actually, this book was from September, has been used for correspondences that are received and that goes out of the office. Now,
you were asked about some documents appearing on pages 59 and 60, the one that their authenticity is not controverted.
Very true.
In response to that question, or in follow-up to that question, I wanted to look at pages 54, 55, and 56 of the Governor's 1B.
Yes.
Are those documents that were received by your office?
They are not. It's a forged document.
Are the issues of confusion or the issues of the dates in that book in any way an answer to those forgeries and those documents that were never received by you?
Yeah, in my record, they were never received in my office.
And my question is, the questions you have been asked here about that book, are they in any way an answer to those forged documents that you have referred to?
Not at all. They are meant actually to divert this criminal activity which was going on.
Now, when did you become the clerk?
2019, that is 2020.
And why are the first few pages of that book stapled?
Actually, it's as a result of when the secretary possibly were using this one and found.
Honorable members, we've got 18 minutes to the close of the day, and you are all aware that we cannot go beyond midnight. I know members have got questions or clarifications they might need to have with the witness, and we should do this in under 10 minutes to allow us to adjourn the session in good time. I have got requests on the dashboard from among the members, and we will end when time ends. So I'll start with the members who have requests.